Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's a Fruit for Thought. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So May's Fruit for Thought just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and dive in. I completely forgot what last month said this month's theme is going to be. So let's see. It's like a new surprise. So when you first open up the box, ooh, that is what it's going to look like right there. We do have some papers and oh, that's a magnet. Thanks for 5 fruity, fun years of gifts. Are they 5 now? Did they just turn 5? Let me see. If so, happy 5th birthday. That's awesome. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. You have the nice little tissue paper with their sticker. And then when you remove, there's a sneak peek to the presentation on the inside of the box. You don't get to see much. But we're going to find out what is all inside of here. So this month's theme, May, is lemon lime. I love lemon and I love lime, so I'm super excited about this. Happy 5-year anniversary, Fruit for Thought. So yes, it's their 5th anniversary. So happy 5th birthday then, Fruit for Thought. That's awesome. Next month, June's theme is red raspberry. And I did look on their website before sitting down to film, so I can tell you what the following 3 months are gonna be, just in case you're interested. July is mango tango. August is tropical paradise, and September is grape wine. They all sound amazing. Their themes are just so cute, and it's like the whole experience that you're getting with this box, and it's curated all around that same theme, which I absolutely love. So again, this month is lemon lime, and we still have some May lemon lime themed boxes left on our online store. So there is still a few of these that is available, which is amazing because normally when I do show you the box, they're already all sold out for that box. So now if you do like this theme, you can still grab this box. There's a few left. So if you do, hurry and grab yours so you can secure your May's lemon lime theme. Awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. On the back of this, we'll go over products. So it gives us a little bit more information about what's inside. Let me move some of these squiggles and I'll get to, this guy right here first. It's a plastic tumbler and there's lemons all over it. That is super cute. So this says, start to think about summer with Go Free Hearts thermal insulated tumbler with lid. Perfect for a cold glass of lemonade, microwave and dishwasher safe. So you do have the top and you can slide this open and closed. And then, that is a tight fit for the lid for sure. And then it looks like it is like a double walled plastic tumbler. And then it does have that sleeve inside, which has all of the lemons on there, which is super cute. And definitely lemonade would be super cute in here, especially if you actually had cut up lemon to actually go inside. So cute. So there's the first item, which is the tumbler. So then now let's see here. It says Lovely Limes Home Fragrance. Ooh, we have a room fragrance spray, which is limes. That sounds amazing. The best air freshener I've ever used is AP Fragrance. You will either receive Lovely Lime scent, which that's what I received, which is a clean and fruity scent of fresh green limes, or Homemade Lemonade scent, which is a fresh and energizing scent of Meyer lemons, sweet cane sugar, and greens. Both scents are made with essential oils. So it would have been one of 2 that you would have received, a lemonade or a lime scented. That's so cool. See, everything goes with the theme. Let's get this sprayed. Ooh, that is not what I expected. I was expecting just pure limes. No, this is like a nice, like fruity lime scent. It's not just limes. It smells really nice. Ooh, I like that. Let me just get a little more in here. That smells nice. And I like that it's a nice big aerosol can. So I actually do really like that. So there's item number 2. Let's keep on going. So now we have is key lime buds, hard candy with a key lime twist. So Sometimes you get like a little treat, which would go with the theme. And this time we have, it says disappearing from candy jars since 1924, butter-filled key lime buds. I've never seen that before, but they sound amazing. It says close your eyes while enjoying a butter-filled buds key lime bud, and you will begin to hear soft whispers of steel drums and ocean waves. Use code 10fruit at www.butterfieldscandies.com for 10% off. Let's see what these are all about. Ooh, they smell amazing. Now that smells like a pure lime, like you just cut into a lime. Oh, that smells so good. It's a hard candy, but it is amazing. That is very, very good. Definitely key lime has a little bit of like the sugar on the outside with a nice lime on the inside. Ooh, that is awesome. Those are really, really, really good. They find most unique things to go around their theme, and some of their products are actually made just for their boxes, and you're not going to find them anywhere else, which is awesome. So let's keep on going. We have two of these guys right here, and these say lemon lime shower steamers. I love a good shower steamer. I don't take baths, so I don't do the bath bomb situation, but a shower steamer, I am all for. Directions: unwrap, place in the shower near the drain. For best results, place just outside of direct water and enjoy. So you get two of them, and that is a really good size. So I cannot wait to put one of these in my shower tonight, and I can save one for another night. And I can't wait to see what they do and what they smell like, but I love a good shower steamer. So these right here, let me find them. At All About Velour has made each of you 2 lemon lime shower steamers made with essential oils and nothing artificial. Make your shower smell like a citrus burst. Use code FRUITBOX for 20% off your purchase on their website, www.ALLABOUTVELOUR.com. So again, I can't wait to try one of these, and I'm glad that they gave you 2. So you have 2 different shower steamers to use. Next we have, it says Dr. Botanicals. This is the LM Rescue Butter Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. That's so cool because it's lemon. Treat yourself with Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butters Multi-Use High-Performance Butter, which can be used as a moisturizer and treatment. Vegan with all natural ingredients to rejuvenate, renew, and invigorate dull skin. So that's really cool. We have a butter. There is a seal. Let's see if it smells like lemon. It has like a little yellowish tint to it. Let's see. Ooh, I do smell lemon. It's not too strong. Ooh, that is a nice thick body butter, and it feels so good on. Ooh, and you can just use it wherever you would like. It's a body butter, and it smells like lemon. That's awesome. So that's really cool. And again, that's from Dr. Botanicals. And then the last thing in here are going to be these cute little slices. It's like I got like a handful of them in here, you guys. These right here say jelly fruit slices are my personal all-time favorite candies. The chewy, juicy lemon lime flavor is hard to find, but we found them for you. So you go. I gotta open this and see. I gotta see what's up in this. It looks like it's a lime on the inside and a lemon on the outside. And it's a fruity jelly chew. Okay. I'm definitely tasting that lemon, and that is a really good lemon. Oh my gosh. Or the lime. That tastes amazing. Yes, ma'am. That was really, really good. I might have to hide these. That was really, really good. It also has on the card, we've included the magnet to thank you and everyone for supporting and loving us for 5 years this month. So this little magnet got put in here because of that. So again, happy birthday. Happy 5th birthday. That's awesome. So that is everything that came in this month's box. Again, it's the lemon lime theme. Going over it, we have these really good lemon lime chews that taste phenomenal. We have the Dr. Botanicals Lemon Butter Lotion. And it feels and smells so good. You have the Lovely Limes, or you could have got the Lemonade Room Fragrance Spray. You have the Butter-Filled Key Lime Buds Hard Candy. 2 big old shower steamers, which I cannot wait to try out. You have the magnet to say happy birthday. And you have the tumbler, that's an insulated tumbler that has the lemons all over it, which this is so cute, especially for spring and summer. You can be your little cup to sit outside, drink your iced tea, lemonade, whatever in. That is super cute. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that were in here? What did you think of the theme? And again, next month is going to be, what was it going to be again? Red raspberry. Oh, I cannot wait. I love raspberry. So if you guys would like a little bit more information about Fruit for Thought, I will let you know right about now. You can do month to month for $39.95. They do have a 3, 6, and a 12-month plan that'll save you a little bit of money if you want to prepay for more boxes at a time. But if you want to just do month to month, it's $39.95. There's a new fruit and sometimes a vegetable theme each month. You will receive 5 to 7 fun and unusual quality products with an assortment of scents, flavors, and colors relating to that theme. Products may include home accessories, jewelry, luxurious bath and body products, stationery, yummy goodies, and more. You can also buy a one-time non-renewing box if you want to just get one box for yourself and not do the commitment, or send one as a gift for anybody you would like. You can get that one for $44.99. And you can skip or cancel at any time. So again, when you get your box, you already know what next month's theme is, and you can see 3 months past that on their website. So again, July, Mango Tango, August, Tropical Paradise, and September, Grape Wine. So if you ever see a theme come up and you're just not for it, you can either still get the box and gift it to somebody who might love that particular theme, or you can go ahead and pause it or cancel at any time, but you can at least see at least 3 to 4 months in advance all the different themes, so you know what to do in advance. And I really, really like that. So that is everything that I have for you today to tell you about this month's box and about Fruit for Thought. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.